Shall I start? So, very good evening, everyone. Very good evening. I don't. Okay. So today I am going to tell about the my PPT has a title, The Power of Habit. So before starting my PPT, I have a quick question, like how many of you have ever told yourself that starting tomorrow I will wake up early in the morning, eat healthy, and do exercise? How many of you? Raise your hand. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And how many of you have gave up after 3 days? Don't worry. Don't. It just it happened. We are a human. Okay. And building a habit is hard, but it is not impossible. So today I am going to tell about the some way that you make a habit. How to make a good habit. Okay, so first my point is, like, start small. We often fail because we start we start too big. Yeah, we think about too big. We aim for a perfection instead of progress. We like we I want to give example, like instead of saying I will read more, say I will read one page every night before going to bed. So repeat with me. Instead of saying I will read more, say I will read only one page every night before going to bed. Sir,
I will
promise yourself that
I will read before sleep.
instead of saying I will read more,
I read more.
I will read one
I
page
will read one page before sleeping.
every night before going to bed. That's it. It is enough, because I have a graph. Like, here is an interesting growth path. Like 1% every day. 1% means 0.01% better every day. It will you will find yourself after 365 37.78% of yourself. Like, you imagine, if you give 3 year, you will become the next version of yourself, that you have. Thank yourself. And, like, okay. And the second way you can make a good habit, use a trigger. What is mean trigger? Like, how many of you did you brush your teeth today? How many of you? सबने करा? ठीक है. Did you do your exercise today? I know today is a Saturday. This weekend, matlab, we have a right to sleep on Saturday, on weekend. So, sir, why you? No, no worries. Okay. I can. Sir, you brush your teeth.
Yes, daily.
Why you don't exercise today?
You are right. In the weekend, must to sleep and do anything, but we do not do the exercise.
Exercise. Okay. Like, I want to say, I tell you that uh, we have a most powerful thing that we have, like our brain. And the one of the most interesting thing in our brain, that our brain love patterns. What I say? Our brain love patterns. Brushing the teeth is easy, because after wake up we have to we have to brush our teeth. That is already stored in our mind. Like, we don't have to remember this thing. But do it exercise, it is hard, because it is not in our daily routine. So, for example, like, if you want to add any new habit, add this habit that you have already something do. Like, if you want to meditate, just meditate, just do it after brushing your teeth. Like after brushing the teeth, the signal came into the mind that after brushing the teeth, I have to do meditate. So it create automatic tasks. Like you need to not remember. This is just happen. And the second and the third point. And the third point, the third point, the reward yourself. We have to understand the one thing: we are not machine. Okay, like the do it exercise daily, it feel very good. Feel very good. So it's okay. Always reward yourself. Like after workout, you give yourself the protein smoothie or chocolate smoothie or 10-minute guilt-free Netflix. You can do this thing. Like if you reward yourself, that motivation alive. If you reward yourself, the motivation alive. If you harsh yourself, that the motivation die after some time. And the third and the fifth most important, be patient. You must have heard the 21 days rule. You know about the 21 days rule?
Yes.
What is the 21 days rule? Huh?
That you make a habit in 21 days.
You have to?
That you make a habit in 21 days.
Like most of the creator tell, like if you want to cultivate any habit in your, you have to do it 21 days. But my friend, it vary. The truth is it vary. Like first of all, we have to understand our speed. What is our speed? Like you might see most of the student come here, and it is start speaking after a week or after a month. Why this is not happen with me? Why? Because they all have their own speed of learning. Everyone has their own speed of learning. We have to don't compare with anyone. Don't compare with anyone. Lalit sir made after a 5 year. It is not just make it in one day. Like they, he is going some, he is go somewhere to join any institute and it is become Lalit Arya. It is not happen in a 21 days or a 1 month. We have to understand our speed and learn with our speed, and don't quit because of it's hard. Hard means it's you are growing. Okay. So that is my conclusion. If anyone have doubt, you can ask me. Anyone have doubt?
Are these insights from Atomic Habits?
Yeah, it is from the Atomic Habit. I grab this. Yeah, the graph you have shown, it is from Atomic Habit.
What good habit you adopt today?
Huh?
What good habit you adopt today?
What? I don't.
Good habit you adopt today?
What happened?
You have
You have?
me. If you make this PPT, you describe good habits.
Okay.
So from this PPT, which habit you take?
Which habit I take? Just I true with myself. Like I start. With this PPT, I started to do study with just 2 hours. Instead of saying I will study 8 hours, I will say myself I will study only 2 hours, whatever the condition, but I will study 2 hours. Anything? Thank you.